In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color to text in Microsoft Clipchamp. This simple and effective technique can enhance the visual appeal of your videos, making your text stand out brilliantly. Whether you're a beginner or have dabbled with Clipchamp before, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In option to log in. For those who use Microsoft for seamless accessibility, select the Continue with Microsoft option and choose your Microsoft account to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage where you can start crafting your video projects. Next, on the homepage, locate and click on the Create a New Video button. This will open up a fresh video editing workspace. From here, you'll want to import your media. Click on the Import Media button, which allows you to bring in the video clips or images you'd like to work with. Once your media is imported, simply drag and drop these files onto the timeline. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for integrating text with colourful backgrounds into your media. Now let's dive into adding text. Look for the text section in the editor and explore the variety of text styles available. Choose a style that suits the theme of your video and drag and drop it onto the timeline, aligning it with the relevant portions of your video. This ensures your text appears exactly where you envision it. With your text in place, it's time to customize it. Click on the text in your timeline, which triggers a pop-up menu featuring various editing options. This is where you can truly make your text come to life. Select the color option from this pop-up menu. Here you have the ability to alter the text's color, offering flexibility to match or contrast with your video's visual scheme. While in the color editing menu, you'll also notice an option for background color. By clicking on this, you can choose a background color that will make your text pop. Experiment with different shades until you find the perfect balance between your text and video background. This small change can significantly enhance the clarity and aesthetic of your text, making your message both eye-catching and impactful. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a background color to your text in Microsoft Clipchamp. Feel free to experiment with various colors and text styles to make your videos visually engaging. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.